welcome. Today I'm going to present to you the musical notes and rest. Let us learn about the musical symbols, the notes, and the rest. It is important to know the relationship between these kinds of notes and rest in order to read music. Notes are the time of sound, while the rest it's a time of silence. Again, notes are the time of sound, while the rest they are the time of silence. Okay. Again, for the note, it's a time of sound, and take a look at this. This is a note, and it has its parts. This is the head. We call this a head. This one it's called stem. And this is the beam. Others call this one flag. Okay. Again, these are the parts of the note. This is the head. This is the stem, and this is the beam or flag. Okay. Now let's go to the note symbol itself, the name of that note, and the number of beats. Each note has a value of time that is made up of a number of beats. The number of beats tell how long a note is played or sounded. Amazing. Let's proceed. Okay, for this one, it's the head only. It's called a whole note, and it has 4 beats. This one, it has a head, not shaded or unshaded head, with a stem already. This is what we called a half note, and it receives 2 beats. This one is the head is already shaded, and it has a stem. It's called a quarter note, and it receives 1 beat. Next, for this one, it has already a beam here or a flag, only one flag or beam. It's called eighth note, and it receives 1/2 beat. It's time of silence. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our rest symbol, the name of that rest, and the number of silent beats. This time, it's silent beats already. Okay, let's go to this one. It's like a box that is hanged down below the line, or simply what we call a rectangle facing downward. That's called a whole rest. And it receives 4 silent beats. It has 4 silent beats. Whole rest, 4 silent beats. For this one, it's the opposite of the first one. Its box is facing upward, or the rectangle is facing upward, and it's called a half rest. Again, half rest. It receives 2 silent beats. It has 2 silent beats. Okay, next, this one, it looks like a crooked letter Z to me, and it's called quarter rest. Again, quarter rest. It has 1 silent beat only. For this one, it looks like number 7. This is the flag, 1 flag or 1 beam. It's called eighth rest. Okay, and it has 1 summary. Okay, so there's the symbol here, the name, and then the note, the rest, and the beats. Okay, all right, so this is the whole note, okay? Again, whole note, the head, and then this is a whole rest. They both receive 4 beats. It's that the note has a sound, and for the rest, it has no sound. But they have the same beat, 4. Okay. Next, let's go to half. This is half note. This is half rest. They both have 2 beats, or the time value, they have 2. The note has 2, and then the rest also, they have 2. Okay, next we have quarter. Quarter notes and the quarter rest. They both have 1 beat. Okay? Next we have eighth